Hello everyone, hope you're all okay. Right, I thought I would come on and show you how to revitalise these Inka Golds and metallic lustres and those sort of paste things that go as hard as rock. You know, you don't have to throw them out. They're not cheap, so I don't see why you should have to throw them out. It's not my idea. I saw it a long time ago. Well, there's several people, you know, several videos. First person I saw, I believe, was Karen McClure, and I've sort of been doing it ever since. Yeah, this one was as hard as rock, and yeah, it's lovely and soft again now. So I did that one yesterday, and I've just done this purple one. That one's, I mean, you're not meant to put your fingers in them, but that's what they're for. So it does actually say underneath the label to use a spatula to put a little bit out, and but no, I think all of us that have these sort of things tend to put our fingers in them. But anyway, so I've got that one that's as hard as rock, but it's taken me about 15-20 minutes, I think. So I thought I would use this one, which I've already chopped up a bit, and it wasn't as hard as that one. But I've just chopped it up. I'm going to pop it on there. Oh. Let's have a look. Like I say, they're not cheap, are they? But they are nice. What I would normally do is wipe the container out as well with an antibacterial wipe, but I shan't do that now. So if you've got some glycerine, you want to put a little bit of glycerine in it. I think that glycerine is like antibacterial, I think, but it softens it up. But I've got a bottle with some water in, and my spray bottles I usually put a bit of disinfectant. Well, I have this disinfectant, and that's just an empty bottle that I've put water in. Just gets the dregs. So you probably be better with warm water. Did I just say that? This is cold water. I just put some of that on and just smush it up. See, this one's quite a bit easier, but I thought I would do an easier one, so you can still see me do it all, but it won't take quite as long. Just a little bit of glycerine if you've got it. Just pour in a little drop on. I might actually just tip some more of this water. It's just water. Ooh, there's quite a lot there. But just play about with it, because you know, we can't keep buying stuff and throwing it away because we think it's not usable. Just, I mean, if you're going to throw it away anyway, at least it's worth trying to do something with it. I personally think these come in two big pots, too bigger of a pot. They should be smaller ones and half the price. But that's just my opinion. Right, just going to put a bit more water in. You know, I can't give you any measurements because everybody's paste is going to be different, and sometimes they go mouldy. Where's my, let me have a look. This one, I think it was that one, a couple of years. I mean, I've had these 5 or 6 years, and it went mouldy, and I just scraped the mould off the top and took it out and did my stuff with it, and it seems to be all right. I mean, that isn't soft, but it's still workable. I'm not going to do anything to that one yet. Again, that one, I did that one a while ago, but they all tend to go hard. The troubles us crafters have, eh? But yeah, so this is just what I've been doing. I thought I really must come on and do a video, and not everybody will have seen it, and you know, people tend to think, oh, that's no good, throw that away. But I would always say for anything, but then I just like to experiment with things anyway. But you know, I'd say for anything that we have, if you think it's no good, just try and make it some good. That's like with the Dilutions, the paints that were in this sort of tub. They go hard. And I think it was Caroline Doobie that I saw many years ago. She said to, you know, use them as crayons, which I'm like, yay. There's always ways around things. We're on 6 minutes. That's not too bad, is it? I do think warm water would probably be a bit better. But that now is I'm going to be able to use that. Lovely jubbly. I wonder, I don't know whether, I'm just going to try some. No, I won't do in this one, I'll do it in when I do another one another day. I was just thinking, if you haven't got any glycerine, whether hand sanitizer, because they tend to have, I know it's got alcohol in, which is like a it would dry quicker, but they also have like softeners in, don't they? So when I do my red one, I'm not going to do that on camera, but when I do the red one and the others, I might use some hand sanitizer instead. So it could still do with more water. I'm going to put a bit more glycerine in, I think. Ooh. A little bit more water. I think the thing is, when we buy things and they're expensive, you tend to think, well, I do, I'm sure a lot of other people do, tend to think, oh, that was expensive, I have to use that sparingly, and then of course you end up with this problem. So I'm not going to do that anymore. I'm going to think, no, if I do that, then it's going to get into a state, buy it to use it. Might just have got some antibacterial wipes there. Just give that a bit of a wipe out. I'm not going to do it too much, and even that I won't waste that because it isn't mouldy, so it's not going to hurt anything. But excuse me, I will use that in one of my books. In actual fact, I think I've got one. There I have. Not got it all out, but it's just cleaned it up a little bit. Just pop that back in there. I can say that this red one and the other one that is harder will take me a bit longer. 9 minutes, 10 minutes for that one, so that's not too bad, is it? And then I can use that again, so that's brilliant. Where's my lid gone? There's the lid. Just wipe the lid out. There we go. it'll soon soak that water up. So that's that, and then the other thing I will do is, because we don't like waste, or I don't, I have this book that's just, oh, there's a spare page, look. And then I just wipe that over pages. I'm like, yes, can't waste it. Nice and shimmery. More green pages. There's a green one. And that's all. This is always what I do when you've seen me do this before, when I clean my paints up with my baby wipes. Oops, sorry, I've just knocked the camera. There. Right, on that note, I shall love and leave you, and I'm going to go now and do these other things, and then I will hopefully be back tomorrow and I'll show you those, but I'm also going to show you, well, do some more butterflies like I did the other day. Oh, that's lovely. Can you see all the shimmeriness on there? Lovely. Yeah, do some more of the butterflies. Well, that's a flower, that's not a butterfly. But do some more of those. Right, take care. Hope that's helped anybody that's got dried up pastes and such like. So it's just a bit annoying that we have to do it, but I've probably put a little bit too much in there, but it'll be all right. It'll be fine. It will be fine. So take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.